Mamre, OBS mo?
Sir?
OBS?
Yes, OBS.
Okay ra.
Okay, so you have the full other na folder. So the directory of that is same directory as the samples that you have, the laboratory and so on. So if you go to the if you will check the directory, you can use the syntax pwd for present working directory. So FOSS designs is the directory. So under that is your full other. So the full other is katuratong download from the GitHub. So you have the full other na folder, and under that full other na folder you can have the folder na OpenLane, RTL, SIMS, and TB. Under the RTL folder, you must have the Verilog file of your full other. So as you can check, you can check by having gedit full other.v. So you can check on it. And yeah. So here is your Verilog code. You can verify if we have the same code that you have utilized. And after that, you need to have the test bench for your full other. You can verify it by going to the folder TB design. TB. Then you have gedit TB full other.v. So here are the mga values na inyong gamiton para ma-verify ninyo if functional inyong full other. So you have the registers of 4 bits A, 4 bits B, and 4 bits na sum na value. And then after that, you will have the simulation under the SIMS folder. So to simulate it, you need to go to by change directory cd SIMS, and under that SIMS is actually na simulate na nako, but you can verify it by having the code iverilog and .tb, and the test bench that you have tb underscore full other.b, and add the RTL code. So just point asa to dapit ang directory sa inyong both na codes. So you have the test bench for the full other and the RTL code for the full other. So iverilog medyo okay. So once you have that, ako na lang balikan. So pag ma-verify na ninyo, ma-simulate ninyo, magawas ang a.out. Okay? Magawas ning a.out. And after that, a.out, kato na dayong .\a.out. So, mao na ang output sa imuhang iverilog. And as you have noticed, I have this file tb underscore full other.vcd. That vcd here signifies na pwede siya makita ang waveform mo. Dito na dump. So, ang katong dumping sa full other, naana siya dito sa imuhang Verilog code. So, you can check again sa imuhang test bench. You can go to the test bench and gedit tb underscore full other. So you have line 20 and 21, you have dump file full other.vcd and dump vars kato nining value sa imuhang waveform. So para mas makita nimo ang output sa imuhang waveform, same nga procedure, you will have that balik ka sa imuhang SIMS na folder kay dito man ang imuhang output sa imuhang simulation. So once you are now in the SIMS folder, you can have the GTK wave GTK wave, then unsa tong .bcd mo ano ning tb underscore full other .bcd. So you have here the waveform. So you can have the control 0 or control or pwede nimo ni siya ma-magnify lang. Okay. Ang radix ani naka-decimal na, but you can have it binary or change the radix format sa imuhang kuan. Pwede siya binary, pwede naka-octal or any nga imuhang need nga kwaon nga values. So since very easy ang decimal, pwede nimo ma-verify through decimal lang nga radix. So okay. And then include also the Cin. Okay. So you can verify 4 plus 1, you have dapat 6 ang 4 plus 1 plus 1 sa Cin, you have 6. So dapat na 6. And here also 3, 13, and then okay. So verify na lang unsay dapat nga mga values niya. And then after that, after you have verified the waveform, next na pod nimo i-check is ang layout waveform, layout view sa atong GDS file. So meaning dito ana ang fabrication ready na layout. So you can go to the open lane na folder. So most of you have na-install ang Docker o kining Skywater sa recent. So ang ilahang ginakuan is deprecated na ang open lane, meaning medyo obsolete na siya. So but since na-install na ko ni siya, dugay na, so still open lane here still works, but sa inyo nga dili mo work ang open lane, yanay mo gawas na deprecated ang open lane, you can use LibreLane instead of open lane. So you just type open lane, then config.json. But before we run this code na open lane config.json, you must have the config na configuration accordingly. So you can adjust accordingly kung gusto niyo padakuan ang width, pitch o ang core margin, and also the target density. If ever na mga errors, you can adjust accordingly unsay pwede na ma-adjust sa config.json. And then take note sa inyong mga code, katong i-copy na ito nga config.json na yung mga sample dito, but you must change the design name accordingly. For this case, you have the full order na Verilog file. You must have the name nga same sa inyong Verilog file nga nabutang sa RTL. Kung sa to'y file name niya, may butang and then the directory. So kung mamali na nimong directory o ang full design name nimo, dili na mo dagan ang imong code. So once you have that, you can now run the open lane config.json. So medyo dugay siya pagpa-run, it would take a while. So once nga kabali, assuming na nato nga ni-run na siya, once nga maparanan nimo and then complete na siya, you can check ang na siya magawas na folder na runs. This runs na folder. You can change the directory by going through the folder cd runs, and then actually daghan ako na run, but the latest na run ako is kining run 2025 10 27 10 34 07. So you can go to that folder cd run 10-34 07. Okay. And after that, so you will have a plenty of folders that you can check. So here are the Verilator lint and checkers for the errors, the the PNR, place and route, floor plan, and other placement routes. And so daghan diri nga mga details, like pwede nimo ma-check ang timing is in the STA. So kining STA diri, STA pre-simulation, napoy STA na post-simulation. I believe na siya sa open road STA. Okay, open road STA mid na po open road STA post simulation. So kung may tag pre-simulation, that is considering wala pa tong mga parasitics. So basically ideal pa siya. But when we say the post simulation, you are considering now the parasitics na naa sa imuhang layout niyan, mong gigamit ng mga layers and so on and so forth. So to check the layout, you can have the K layout, then asa tong GDS na folder. You can go to before K layout, you must go to the CD final, and then you can check you have the GDS folder here. You can go to the GDS, and then here is the GDS file that you can check the layout of your full other. So you can have K layout full other dot GDS. So okay, nagloading na siya. So you will have, so here is the view of your full other na GDS file. So different layers have been used and so on. So naapatoy isa ka view na pwede ma-check ang layout by using the, I think the open road. Open road. So pwede po na siya. But for now, you can have the K layout just to check whether or not unsay naa sa iyahang mga value. You can have the users para ma-check ang iyahang ruler to check unsay dimension sa imuhang layout. Okay, so far I think mara to, and then we'll add more if napatay laing ma-discover with respect sa unsa pay laing approaches to check the layout, and also the power and so on and so forth. I think kung mo check mo sa power sa inyong layout, you can use other syntax in the config.json. Pwede ninyo ni ma-check diri let me check. Here. So kung gusto mo mo-check sa inyong power and TB. Open lang. Open lane gedit config.json. So if you want to check the area automatic na mo gawas and the power consumption that it has, you can add this line para automatic na manggawas ang measurement sa inyong area and power and so on. So if ever also you want to check automatically also the timing, like the slack and slew of your design, you can also add this syntax or line. Okay, so far I think mara to siya.